Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have this amazing light coming out. It's a natural light and I just wanted to take advantage of that. And so I'm going to be filming in this natural light itself. Today is the third video of the series, What Toppers Do Not Tell Us. And today I'm going to be talking about newspaper reading. When it comes to newspaper reading, generally toppers tell us a few things. One of them being that you need to read the paper every single day. Second being that you need to pick either the Hindu or the Indian Express if you're preparing for the civil services exam. Third being that in the initial days they used to take some 3 to 4 hours, and now it is reduced to some an hour or so. And then the fourth thing that they generally tell you is about how to read the paper. And the general method is that you need to pick a reader and read an article, connect it with a background information. For that you need to dig into it a little bit more, and try to do the static part of it as well, so that you understand the news in a better manner. And this is how you read the newspaper. If you think about it, this is exactly what you're supposed to do. This is exactly how you are supposed to read the newspaper if you are preparing for the civil services exam. But you might not be able to do this efficiently if you are at a very beginning stage. Now again, this video is not applicable for somebody who is not at a beginning stage, or who already has a habit of reading the newspapers and who has a basic understanding about happenstances of our country or the polity and basic economic developments. If you are aware of all these things, this particular video is not applicable to you. But on the other hand, if you are a beginner like I was a year ago, then this video is specifically designed for you. I will tell you something about myself. Before I started preparing, I was not in a habit of reading newspapers regularly. I did read, a few updates here and there for my job, as well as for, just all the topics that I was interested in. But I was not even aware about the difference between, executive and judiciary and legislature. I did not know what. I mean, of course, everybody knows what is judiciary, but I didn't know what is executive and what is legislature. These are the basic terms that you're supposed to know, and I did not know them. I did not know what was repo rate. I did not know all of these things. And generally, the newspapers are filled with all these keywords. Basically, the newspaper covers all these things only. And so I was really, blindsided when I started reading the paper for the first time. I couldn't understand anything at all. And to be very honest, when I started reading the paper and started following the same advice as to how I'm supposed to go about it, that you read an article once, if you don't understand you have to get down to the background information, what it is about and everything. When I started doing that, in the first 1.5 to 2 months, I couldn't do anything else but read the paper, because it took me more than 12 hours to finish a newspaper. Sometimes even those 12 hours were not enough. Even though I was skipping the sports section and I was skipping the page 3 section and all of that. And that's exactly what I was going through. And I was feeling that, am I not fit for the exam? But there was actually nothing wrong with me. I was just not preparing the way I was supposed to prepare. I was not at a stage where I was able to grasp that. And it took me a while to get there, to get to 6 hours, which certain toppers might be getting at in the beginning itself, because they might be used to it. But then there might be few who are like me and who might have worked harder to get to the 1 hour or 2 hour stage for newspaper reading. And I'm going to tell you exactly how I reached there and what exactly helped me to get there. Reading the newspaper and understanding it and understanding the developments happening in our country is an extremely important aspect of UPSC CSE preparation. Since I was not able to do it properly in the first couple of months, I understood that this is not working out for me, because I'm just doing that. I'm not even developing the understanding required despite working so hard. I need to change few things. And so I decided to not follow advice of any toppers, and I just went by my own instincts. First thing I did was I stopped reading the Hindu and or the Indian Express. These two papers are extremely important, yes, but they are very the language in that is a little complex for somebody who is not used to reading the newspaper. It is not very conversational language. It is more of an academic language. It's not literally an academic language, but it's still a little more sophisticated than perhaps reading Times of India. So I decided that this is not working out for me, but I do need to make sure that I'm caught up with the news. And so I started reading Quartz, the newsletter by Quartz. After that, I started reading Times of India. I also downloaded InShots for a while, and I was following, the basic things that were happening there, so that I am up to date and I'm not out of habit of reading the newspaper. That was only for that. It was not part of the preparation of the exam. But yes, it is a part of it in a way that I was developing a habit of reading the newspaper. But to be able to make sure that I am up to date with the content that is required for the exam also, for that I decided to watch the videos. The everyday daily news analysis videos that several coaching institutes provide for free on YouTube. I actually started going through them. Other than that, I also followed not like a full newspaper videos, but like certain news videos by, for example, Prashant Dhawan sir. So he basically gives analysis of a topic in a very simplistic manner. And I kind of followed this routine where I would invest some 40 minutes for the newspaper analysis video, some 20 minutes, other 20 minutes for the other few, here and there videos of the topics that I felt were important by, certain, mostly, like I said, either by Mahipal Singh sir or by Prashant Dhawan sir. Mostly these two are the people I used to follow all the time. And other than that, I used to invest another half an hour or an hour to read, Quad's newsletter, or maybe Times of India sometimes, or InShots. Basically, I was trying to make sure that I'm caught up, but my main content was coming from the newspaper analysis videos, and not the newspaper in itself. This was exactly how I adapted to it. After I continued doing that for like a month and a half or so, I started understanding as to how to, what news to read and what to look for when I'm reading the newspaper, because of those analysis videos that I was watching. Another thing that I was doing simultaneously while I was doing this was, because I was not investing 12 hours only in the news, I started also reading the NCERTs and the materials basically. And in that, I decided to pick economy and polity first, because these are the two main main topics basically, or main subject areas which are covered the most in the newspapers. And to be able to understand the news, I need to be aware about I need to be able to understand the basics of these things. And so I started off with only NCERTs at first. Even after reading NCERT of polity and few like some topics of not I didn't even finish the full NCERT of economics. I did read the 11th standard NCERT of economics, but I did not read the 12th standard NCERT completely. Just few topics to be, so that I can understand what is happening, and I was able to understand the newspaper. But even then, I had some trouble making my own notes from the newspaper, and that is perfectly fine. After that, also for a long time, I stopped relying on the newspaper videos, but I still relied on the newspaper analysis provided by various coaching institutes. In that, I actually generally preferred Drishti IAS Coaching Institute notes, where they give like everyday news analysis. And there is basically like all the news that is given, they kind of reorganize it in a very lucid manner, which is required to develop the understanding. And that's exactly what I'll do. I read the newspaper completely, and then after that I immediately move to Drishti IAS portal and I read the entire day's news analysis and the editorial analysis. I actually was doing that up until last couple of months as well. In fact, I still do it many a times, because sometimes these newspaper these analysis covers more than just one newspaper, and I read only one newspaper, and I kind of go through that as well. So even today, like for the newspaper, because now I'm so used to reading it and now I have developed the habit of it, and all these other things that I did helped me understand it so well that now I finish my newspaper within 30 to 40 minutes max. Like I read word by word of all the relevant sections. Like I don't read the sports section even today, but other than sports and page 3 section, like I don't think Indian Express does not even have a page 3 section, but like it has a games and that section. I don't read that section, and I don't read the sports section. Other than that, I read entire newspaper word by word, and even then I'm able to finish it by 40 minutes. And then after that, I make sure that I do go through the Drishti IAS portal or Civil's Daily portal, and I see what they've written. Most of the times, things that I have read are all also covered, so it doesn't take too much time to read that. But there are some other news from maybe PIB or maybe some other newspaper which they might think that it is important, or there's some editorial that they've covered, which I kind of go through it from there itself, and I move on from that. And that's exactly how I go for my newspaper. Now I am able to do that. Now if there is a new topic which is covered in the news, I do go into the background information of it and I do note it down. I do make editorial notes. But it is at this stage, after like 7-8 months of my preparation. It was not happening in the first few months or first even 6 months of my preparation. It was still very difficult, and there is nothing wrong with that. Honestly, you need to do whatever it takes for you to develop that habit, and this is something that not all the toppers talk about, and so I just wanted to bring it out. I understand that the video has gone a little too long and I have rambled in it, but I felt very strongly about this topic, and I just wanted to make sure that I bring out all the points that will help out everybody who struggles with reading the newspaper. So I hope you liked my video. If you think that it was helpful, please leave a comment below. Like my video, and do follow my channel so that I can keep coming up with more such videos, and we can all help each other out to prepare better for the UPSC Civil Services exam.